This video will show you how to grade the UNICOM rubric after you have attached it to your grade center. So in the previous video, we created our column, our UNICOM UC Critical Thinking column. So now that it is in our grade center, once the students complete the assessment or assignment that you have chosen to map the UNICOM goal to, you will need to grade the rubric. Previously, we would do this on paper, and now we're doing it through Blackboard. So here's how you'll do it. You'll find the student whose UNICOM critical thinking you want to assess, and you'll come to the column, and then you'll see there's a little gray drop-down arrow within the box assigned to their name. So not the column arrow, the one within the student's name box. And then you'll click that, and it'll bring up two options: view grade details and exempt grade. You want this first one, view grade details. And then you'll notice up here at the top, it will allow you to view the rubric. And here is where you will be able to assess their UNICOM rubric. So I can say she did really well on identifying, she did pretty good on analyzing, okay on interpreting, okay on concluding, and less great on justifying, so on and so forth. If you would like to add additional pieces of feedback, you can within the box, so on and so forth. And then it will raw total it for you. If you would like to manually adjust the grade, you can, but it will keep the rubric score correct. Any final feedback to the learner you would like to give, you can. And then when you're done, you simply click Submit. Now you're going to get this notice that says, use this rubric as the grading rubric. Go ahead and click OK. The reason it's okay to do that is because in the previous video, I showed you that we are not using this as a primary evaluation. It's a secondary evaluation, and it's not included in the grade center calculations anyway. So after you've clicked OK, you'll notice that it changes the rubric score, so now you know that the rubric has been marked. You can scroll down and click Save. And so now you'll be able to see that this edit was successful, that this has in fact been graded. You can even view the rubric and it'll show you the scored rubric. And you are at this point all done. And if you go back to the grade center, you'll be able to see that it has assessed the UNICOM rubric.